Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We'll continue with model manipulation here. First, manipulation, and where one way you look at, we don't add all the tables in here. Let's say we get chiefdom. We get these streets. Let me see. Or we'll not get these streets. Or let's say we just need the nationality of the person, where the clients don't add to you, you don't already incorporate it in your database. We will take just one table and see you did do the rest. But let's say nationality, because nothing like this is there. We know, okay, this is the day. I think this is the day. So we just need for add nationality or region or whatsoever additional table you want to add. We'll get to approach for go about that. First approach, we take the easiest way first. We can right click and come to add. You get to way. You can go to the straight approach will be new JSON, or just come to add.NET data entity model. You hit onto RAM. You type the name of the model. This now one, but I'm not going to take this approach. Let me go the straight add item, then data now in this back now. You add the name of the model now. You can see. Let's say the name of the model now, we say just the nationality. You can see that this I want to we understand. We say nationality. Good. You say next. Take this. We continue. Come to your add column. Connection. Quick one. We wait for them for the IGV. We hit on the server name now dots. Now I don't know. Take server authentication just like the first one before. Now we don't make any mistake. Then we open this one, select the database, we continue. Good. Then include the sensitive information as well. You see the model name, nationality, we can. But this time around, now just one gain table we need. So we expand, we don't need check all the table in the assuming we need 1, 2, 3 table. If we don't count them. But just need one table, nationality. We say finish. You don't count for we nationality. Great. Yes. You don't count for your nationality. You can see. So being that you don't count for your nationality, see the fields are all. It always say it even generates the data annotation and schema for we, and enforce this first one as a primary key, country, all the way there, get a fixed length, of which we don't know from a previous video. Let me see now about nationality. If you did to the parent model, this model now. Let me just close branch. Let me come to the parent model. Let me look for nationality for the day. Let me watch. Let me see for nationality for the day. Nationality not the day. So the thing we need for involved nationality, just copy this guy and paste them. Then change this one to nationality. In fact, it come already. Look at. Then this one turn into plural nationality. In fact, in the counter for now to plural. Good. But if we understand the nationality for getting in data model as well, in model builder, we can on the branch just copy all the fields. No, just copy one field. In fact, this one. We watch nationality first. Now yeah. We start nationality there. That we watch side by side. Oh, the first one now it's in on the nationality. Now string. This back now string, this now string. So all the three parameters the way nationality get a string, so they're all three for be part of the model builder. Hence, can I change this entity, call a nationality? You count now. So the property the way they do now, they generate just pull them, then put it out, it they count for you. Capital, you click on. You see, so you can just take this one, first one, in fact, you paste that for the two one that we don't left. Then you just change the fields already there. Then we'll get continent, we'll get Naya country. You see, now in this time. So you don't incorporate them. Now this is not the way how to add a table. If a single field we don't add to nationality, we also want for add an now the same thing no more. You just need for add another class. Let's say for example, good. Let's say comments. Let's go to nationality. Now yeah, we right click, nationality. We say we need for add a field we call comment. Then the same this one, let me just say comment, or we don't know the comments we did. We say let it be virtual max. We don't know how the person get for right time. Just copy these comments now. Count into nationality now. What you need for do for type prop prop and double click the tab 1 2. You don't count for you. Then from there you paste this guy now. Comment. Then make sure that this comment what they do and it will be string public string sorry a minute please. Good. We continue. You can prop double tab then just put your comments you table we don't add it. Then let us know a string. Good. Then you don't get set for the class end now. So you can get this one done to the add column. Remember, anything we add now, you get opportunity for getting an back. Since na string variable, let's say for example, let's just space it right there. Spacing. Good. Let's say for example, copy this one. Then a policeman as I type this, I see comments don't count now. This and so for add a table and for add a field into your database. You don't see, and to your model. This and the manipulation is what they talk about. If, for example, you don't want to use this approach, you want to use another approach, you can kind of, let's say, for example, that program updates, you can kind of use, say, add and select classes. Then I can call program updates. Program updates. Then I can come to add now. Quick one. You see, it don't count for me, the program updates. So the same way you do, just add you use the system now. Then you say component model, then data annotation, then you put your yourself. Then the next one for let be recognized as a table, just add the schema and put your yourself. Then inside this class now they define all the parameters of where they I'm sorry. They will define how many fields and there should be no likely to this. They will define I'm sorry. How many fields and where they will add then so we come to this guy now, this program updates. We can do how many fields in the program version. That's just an example they make. We get program version incorporate time. Remember, say if also watch the data type of the program version. Now virtual all over. So you have for B string. You see. So the rest of the other now so you go do you see. So but you get for include this program version to the parent model. Two way. One way, first you get for add for let realize say na program version you want for add, then go say na program updates. Then na you can put that into plural, program updates is where add the S there. Then the model builder na after I don't know nationality, I can just copy this guy. Then I change the entity. As I change, I say program. I need program updates now. So all the fields already there and they come. You can see. So now all the version don't need it first. So the more you add fields, now the more it will add the so far now this now the string, let me say data manipulation. Keep ready, follow me, navigate to view proper now and controller. Watch out for the next video. Don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell so that you will get the subsequent videos already. Tata once again.